A PAC, which stands for Porting Authorization Code, is a unique 9-character code that allows you to transfer your existing UK mobile number to a new mobile provider when you switch. It's free to obtain from your current provider via their app, website, or by calling them. Once you have the PAC, provide it to your new provider during sign-up. They will then use it to transfer your number, typically within 24 hours. The PAC verifies your ownership of the number and ensures a smooth, authorized transfer. It's valid for 30 days, so use it promptly. Without a valid PAC, your number cannot be ported. The number porting process follows 3 main steps. First, request a PAC code from your current mobile provider. Second, provide this code to your new provider when signing up. Third, wait for the transfer to complete, which typically happens within 24 hours. Recent reforms by Ofcom have significantly improved the porting process. Standard ports now complete within 24 hours instead of up to 48 hours previously. Complex cases are now capped at a maximum of 7 days. These changes have also led to a 15% reduction in porting failures through improved provider compliance and automated systems. To be eligible for porting, you must have an active account with no outstanding debts. Additionally, the number must be transferred to a compatible UK network. While the system is generally efficient, some issues can still occur. These include incorrect PAC codes or provider backlogs, particularly during high-demand periods like contract renewals. Despite the improvements, about 8% of ports still face challenges. The rise of eSIM technology is enabling more seamless digital porting experiences. Users can switch networks without needing physical SIM cards. In the future, full eSIM integration will allow instant ports through mobile apps.